You think you know Psalm 23? What you're about to hear will change the way you feel about it forever.
You lead me through the valley where the shadows creep. I don't fear a thing because you got me.
Your rod and staff, they comfort me in places dark and deep. I don't fear a thing. You anoint my head with oil. My cup, it runneth over. Still waters calling me home. Still waters, where your mercy flows and I'm never alone. Still waters, take me there. Goodness and your kindness follow all my days, like a gentle hand upon my shoulder. You prepare a table right before my enemies' face. They can only watch me rise. You anoint my head with oil. My cup, it runneth over. Still water,